On 31st January 2025, 5 candidates from the Indian National Congress had filed their nominations. These include Manuel Badwar from the Lajumkhra Malki District Council constituency, Gerald Chulai from Jayau, Wanseng Jirwa from Maulai, Banphiralang Basayomoit from Malim, and Nathaniel Remai from the Soyong Nongspung District Council constituency. During the nomination process, MPCC Working President and MLA Ronnie V. Lingdo accompanied Banphiralang Basayomoit from Malim and launched a sharp critique against VPP candidate Iban Duplin Lingdo Nonglait from Malim. He accused her of misleading the public about her educational qualifications, urging upon voters to remain cautious. Ronnie Lingdo also dismissed VPP's demand for Article 371, arguing that the 6th schedule already safeguards land and resources.
Congress jiba buram lot ya kata ke bamiong diversity jo kerinia de kacing ya pair ni khasing aja kemi te kiwi ke jabe ke aja kiba re kaseng Congress hom buram lada khasi so badang yang mana aja kemi bang thousand na kan barna na tengam so tu lada ngamtir kano spasiam kano hajar senam ke jabe khasi jing ke ladan posla partai lada kum bagilong mentangnya aja kemi ni piang le kelamatan ba pan ke jingkersan sing Congress ba beginum do ini ka an ngitang sudo ni ka an kemot ke jabe ni laja am ngam ong mi thok akan ni am dong bang la le theology re dang ilap ga feedback jongi she's only 12 pass from Laban Presbyterian High Secondary School dengan ya pera you ke BJP but kan ya ka seng ke ba exploit the religious sentiment jo ki bri dilarang ikno ayu BJP bo penokam dekan yam te ngasno kan ka parti ruksa kena penco ngaru ngalak banong teh ngai ya kecet menriu kakam jeng apa kelomar kongpong menta phimut ban pendu no ya ka rukom sensyar ka bobu longswa manswa ladam don 371 haban panchayat dimdon dorbar himam don dorbar rai don dorbar chinong chu pije benriu an chuai nuksa ladamut ban pendrung kerteng tevot abdan kam ke no sino rong basno teladam don chu rong basno temut ke jengrung kerteng la ala man pendrung kat buma Nei, dengan asal lada nado senem siaja kena sepasan puar hadu mentah nyu puar nyu pulai senem tam. 6 schedule kalau ya dayeng belain pentelang. Dengan asal kerpat ipai ba jo keri khasi jentia ba dai ban ai ka jingkersan ya ka seng Congress ka kumbala ongi candidate jongi Banphiralang Basayomoit banginang pen klanya gene ka an ban pej ba kano ko bangio ka jingyada ne ka numdan su ka jingyada dai lembaki ai.
Ngi kadang yo lat haban tau ki an ki baskem ki syai ki an ki ban dan beniat kanang pajak biru jongi dan hakanu do benta in la banyak skem mit kesan ki an ki jongi kat barang dan kapur. It's always good when you have new faces when ki kena thamai bami syaka limpung politics kadika good signs ya ka jabin real good signs ka society ni habanya ra wi weng kana ben la ban tre ki kam ki ban mentoi jabin real om chimet ki kam hakmat do ki an ki bangin dating ho ki court high court supreme court ki ba ki snong jongi ki jam ki khnap ki ba ki kor ki jam khnap ni haban ya mobilize ki snong ki thau ki kor ki jan bangin la ban ya collaborate coordinate ba ban ya dan discussion ke balong ke prof ka forum ke batikna bang haban ya bu khnam bang ya la ban ya trilang ke ka hai bang duna hang tanginya pendap lang hawe trilang kata di ka benta sho jong ki an TSQ funding jong ka council di ka we leakages ladadon nyiapun penduk ka revenue sharing joka state government barka dis council khablong clear barka state government khaban respect ka ba kita ki revenue sharing ke bangila bu percentages bahkan num penduk dis council ini ki poor or dis council ka kam ki funds.
Meanwhile, Manuel Badwar took aim at the ruling National People's Party (NPP), accusing it of using financial incentives to sway voters. He alleged that schemes meant for rural areas, such as pig distribution, were being misused in urban Shillong to attract votes.
Jing song set bangi ma dah election voter kalong bi kumni kan ba phila su thu hi ka NPP kan no kali the pisa kajing penbit yu beri ke pisah sin samtam kam dei ke pakai ke tu election ke balet mo ala ju ong hi wat ke skim ais nyang mo ke skim fokus ke skim ais nyang chen kenong lu wana asor de ke bam la long bangi lingi sa municipal area ru le sam hajan ma ke tlieng pen kala producer group ngam tip ya no te hadu mentang apa di itu senyang weru makih lam kra mo te ke silong no tang tak kita ke jing song shit long ki ba penbit yu beri balet si bakin kwan mo bakin yo bakin tap ki beri tu ko vote badala hadian par pisa su tu hi kalau alut ke tuku pisah ke sarkar menta kadang dan ke jing sitom bon om siu ke liang biang kita ka tang ke interest payment lu kadang ban penmi ke te menta ke jing pen kiu bel bailat pimot ke ding na ke kalau silong no bagi ar ketika mon menta ka kila sim biang nak ba ketika diang te ka tuku jing song shit ngidi man kham peluna ide da yang baik tambah kadang dan hi menta ru om dan ma jing pen bi jing li samtin kadang dan de pi wa dam menta ru so MDC election te ka ke ingin di ban pendo.
The Congress candidate from Soyong Nongspung District Council constituency, Nathaniel Rimai, stated that his decision to contest was influenced by the wishes of his late father, former MLA and MDC HDR Lingdo. Acknowledging the competition within his family, where his relative, current MLA Sinchar Lingdo Thaba, is also contesting, Rimai maintained that politics should remain separate from family matters and assured his commitment to the constituency.
See, I was ngala head asana Congress. Te kumbakalong kajing angnut kajong ipa kam simla urlong te dari parti Congress ke badon bika tolong ka ba tenrai ka baskem tahi but kilok kijori kibaya ong badi ban rumus Congress kinong kersan dan see as a student of law is ever evolving. Don't come back but yamla masa kumju ni hapan evolve lang bat kalau bat ka thei chilong ban ka pot ma ti ko tahi di ban scam promote at the same time ban safeguard ya ka chilong tamai ka jong kami politics is politics nga kami iskman ka jing tu kan kham ki pablok ki ba pai kmat sekali apa ba kami keteng kami isu jonga hadin sami jong ki we ngamla banong giwe marpa in politics democracy hi anyone has the right to contest ngamla ban thang kadon la ka jong thong giwe candidate kadon la ka jong thong ta
Congress itu lapangan tiket lagi di sini kadi bokyo tiket lagi di kuis Congress na
si bade kata ngam kampan si eru te kadi ji khot ji perlok te ji khot perlok se kendu bat ni siarai in election ka clash kam non clash it's just that ka rukop trikam ka jikwa ka ji angnut jing pa kam simla urlong te athai khur hi khap tip kham bai kam ju pa ta